Alright, so the speakers fit perfectly on the pods, the cutouts. Um, One thing I really like about these speakers, they come with some little nut clips. So when I drill the holes here, I can just install these nut clips, and the screws will have a very solid mount surface. Um, Also, the speakers have a nice little rubber gasket, so it's going to provide a really good seal. Here, let me just throw this on here again. Okay, so now I had a little bit of this sound deadening material left over from my speaker install in the ceiling. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut this and install some of it in here in each of the pods, and I think it'll improve the a little bit of the bass, a little bit of the dynamic response from the speakers. Also, what I think I might do is put a small hole here, just as a kind of a baffle hole or a sound hole. The one concern I have with doing that is I might have to put a little piece of screener mesh or something here to keep the bugs out, because that would be a perfect place for hornets to make a nest once I install it. Also, these pods come with a little. This is not a gasket. It's split in the center, and it goes around the outside. I won't need to use that. I'm gonna mount these with just probably, I don't know, 4 or 6 small screws with RTV around the flange, and that'll provide a good seal, and the thing will never come off. So, yeah, everything's looking good so far. All I have to do is take the ones off the outside. Well, first I have to put my holes in the face here so that I can mount them, center them, and mount them. And then after that, I can just place these on the outside of the trailer and center them and drill a few holes. I'll pre-drill the holes, and then I can just drill the holes in the side of the trailer, put a bead of sealant on there, and install them. Those will be done. Then all I have to do is connect the speakers.